Sam and Julia had a nice holiday. Beach, sun, pool, and food. Now they're home. But Sam forgot something. Keymit is a smart lock, which allows you to open your door with your smartphone. With Keymit, you can be sure that it fits. We designed it to work with the most common door locks in the US, Europe, and Japan, and it's very simple to install. It's easy. Install our app and lock or unlock your door using your smartphone. You can also share access, see the history of entries, set alarms for unwanted activity, and more using the app. It's convenient to set the door to unlock using our gesture control feature and to lock automatically when you are leaving the house. You can also control the lock remotely with the optional Wi-Fi hub. Just place it anywhere within the Bluetooth range of the smart lock. And finally, it's high quality. Made in Germany, we offer the strongest turning force of any smart lock and double the battery life.
Modern home security means flexibility. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the UltraLock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.
easy, and fast. Samsung new push-pull door lock. Just push and pull, as easy as that. It's easy, and it's fast. The smartest way to open and close your door. Just one touch with your finger to open the door. It's easy, and it's fast. As fast as that. Know when your family comes home. Anytime, anywhere. It's easy, and it's fast. The most advanced door opening technology. Make your life easier than ever with peace of mind. Easy and fast. Samsung new push-pull door lock.
Imagine anyone can install a smart door lock with just one screwdriver. And you have a worry-free door lock that can automatically lock your door right after it's been opened. That's what Fido offers you, and much more. With Fido, your finger is your key, avoiding all the hassle of trying to find your misplaced keys. Fido is designed to be a highly secure and smart lock. It recognizes the door's open status according to the rotation angle of the handle. When Fido determines that the door is open, it automatically locks the door and keeps unwanted followers outside. If the door lock is vandalized, you will be notified remotely, and the alarm will be triggered immediately. The simple and cable-free design allows it to be installed in just 15 minutes on both left and right-facing doors. On your Fido app, you can share the unlocking authority with different users remotely and set the time window for unlocking. Fido records the door opening information in real time and pushes it to the administrator, so you know all historical operation records at any time, anywhere. For the elderly and children with unstable fingerprints, we have designed a dime-sized inductive door card for using with Fido, or easily activate the lock by Bluetooth. Combining the ergonomic design of the handle and unique fingerprint recognition, Fido offers the most comfortable unlocking experience. It takes only 1 second to open the door. With 128-bit AES encryption, Fido effectively prevents counterfeiting and protects your privacy. Fido is designed by a Red Dot award-winning team, a great interpretation of technology and minimalism. With super low power consumption, Fido can work for 1 year with just 2 AAA batteries. It alerts you when the battery is lower than the warning line.